Oh, are we rolling?
No. Oh yeah, we are. To decide the angle. Are your hands clean?
Yeah.
Well, my kind of clean. Okay, because I don't want you touching my face with dirty hands. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Char, and today I have a guest, my son Devin. And Devin is going to do my makeup today. He has picked out from all of my makeup, he has chosen some items that he is going to do his own look. What kind of look are you going for?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you're doing?
Nope.
That's the other reason why I wanted to do this. I actually wanted to see what he knows or doesn't know about makeup. So but you watch my channel, right? So if you would have seen the last video, the get ready with me, maybe you would have seen a couple makeup tips in there.
Yep, didn't do that.
Didn't do that, okay. So, but I'm actually glad that you didn't. I want to see what you know or don't know about makeup. And yeah, so you don't know what kind of look you're going for?
No.
Okay. Well, why don't we just get started and we'll see how it goes. I laid all of my makeup out on this table. Foundations, concealers, primers, and he chose from each bin, well, I don't know. This will be interesting because he only chose this many items out of all the items. He has, let's see, 2 tools and 6 products. Okay, so we're going what, for like a no makeup look? Is that what we're going for? Okay, so this could either go really well or horribly wrong. Okay, take it away.
Okay, so the first product we're gonna use is foundation. There you go. It's a foundation. All right, I don't even know how this works. We're gonna use this tool for it as well.
Okay.
Put it on the side.
Is it dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
That much. Or a little more.
So, what's the name of the foundation you're using?
Long-lasting foundation, life-proof.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Go ahead.
all right, here we go.
So I have a lot of errands to run later, so this is gonna look so I'll be able to run errands and
Sure.
okay. Okay. Oh, even more. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
You need a lot of foundation.
Okay. Is that what you think I do? That I wear a lot of foundation?
I don't know. Sure.
Do you know anything about makeup?
I know you need to put foundation on first.
Oh, okay.
Done. With the foundation.
So I'm gonna rub that in a little bit more? No? Okay.
Actually, yeah, sure.
Okay. No boy.
All right, that's good. All right.
So I noticed that you didn't pick a primer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here.
What?
How do I mix? Like, I want to mix.
How do I mix?
Yeah.
Mix what?
Mix colors.
I don't know. Why don't you show me? How would you do it?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I just don't want to get other makeup and like your makeup, so.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. No, that's fine. So you did foundation, and what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild contouring palette contour. There you go. That's what it looks like. I don't know if the lighting would be. You guys probably cannot see that. All right. I wonder if you open this. This isn't
you
even
know
open
what?
yet.
I don't even think it's been opened. Yeah, here, let me open it. Maybe you would want to be a makeup artist someday. You never know. You know, some of the greatest makeup artists are men.
Ooh. It's fresh. fresh.
It is fresh. It's never been used. What brush are you going to use?
I'm gonna use the only other brush we have.
Well, no, we've got a lot of brushes to choose
Oh, well,
from.
yeah.
You're the one that
The only
chose
ones I
just
picked.
one. Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just.
Okay, so why don't you show what you were doing? So what did you do?
Just
Took a
Took
little bit
some
of that
of that.
one, and then a little bit of that one.
all right. Then
Okay, and what's this for?
no idea.
So you're just,
We need more.
okay.
This isn't doing anything. All right, that didn't work.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go with the Just Peachy mats.
And what's that for? Do you want to show people what it looks like? Yep.
It's like that. It's got many colors,
A lot of colors.
a lot of peach colors.
Mm-hmm. So you're gonna use the same brush?
No, actually. All right, we're gonna use the peach tea
Okay.
and the peach butter.
Okay.
Some of that. Some of that.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you're putting it on my face. Okay. That's an eyeshadow palette.
Oh, well, we're gonna put it on your face.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe
Alright.
you've invented something new.
Yeah.
Using eyeshadows on
Wait,
your
where's
face.
this actually supposed to go?
The eyeshadows?
Yep.
On my lid
All right, we're gonna put some on your lid as well. But instead,
and on my face as well.
we're gonna
Okay.
do the Just Ripe. Oh yes.
Yeah, is that looking good?
No.
So what other makeup items did you grab? So you grabbed this
concealer.
one thinking that it was color for the face. So did you think that that was blush? Do you know what blush is?
Oh, I have blush.
Oh, so it's looking good then?
No.
Well, I do have errands to run later, so I hope it doesn't look
I mean,
too
it's
bad.
great. It's great. We're
Okay.
gonna. All right. Next thing we're gonna use is this blush. Yes.
And how are you gonna put that on?
Your face.
Oh, you're just gonna apply it like that? Okay.
I'm writing.
Like you're writing. Okay.
All right. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put some more over here. Then we're gonna rub it in. Forehead. Do some lines. There you go.
Okay.
Then we're gonna need we need to do one of these.
Okay. How's it looking?
Fabulous.
Okay, good. So Devin is 13 and he is going into 8th grade and goes back to school tomorrow. Actually, you might be back in school by the time this airs. How's it looking?
Good.
Good. So we thought on his last day of summer vacation that he would sit down and film with me. We've been talking about doing this for a while now, doing a show together.
So your face looks sunburnt.
Okay, I sometimes like the sun-kissed look. Does it look sun-kissed?
Sunburnt. We're gonna go more on the burnt side.
Severe burned or
Yeah. It's like you were just standing out there, face standing.
just staring at the sun? Okay.
Yeah, about 120 degree heat.
So what did you grab that for, the concealer?
I thought you put it on at the end. Oh no. Oh, that's not what I thought this was.
You didn't know what concealer was?
I don't know what to do with this. Should I just?
I don't know. You're the makeup artist.
Am I?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I should tell you, he did the sign back here. So
Oh yes, that's the sign you're reading
that's
is
his-
all me.
yes, and I have no clue what it means. It doesn't mean anything bad, does it? Okay.
Good.
Oh,
Oh, that's a lot.
yeah.
Oh.
Did you want to wipe that away?
Nah.
No? Okay, I do have errands to run later. So what are you concealing exactly? The makeup that you just put on?
Sure.
So you're excited? Okay, this is really rough. Okay, yeah. Maybe work a little softer.
Nah. There.
Okay. I can't wait to look. Is this the final look?
No, we need to do lashes.
Oh, okay. So let's see, we did foundation, you did some concealer, some eyeshadow used as other things. So this was actually a contour palette. So this is for like the cheekbones and then yeah, but apparently you like to use it all over the face. You really like to go for a bronzed up look. You definitely are my son.
All right. How do you open this?
You're gonna go with those
Yes, these.
expensive lashes. Okay. Well, you're gonna need some glue.
Oh.
Lash glue, not real glue.
Do I need the glue first?
Probably yes.
All right.
I'm not a lash. I don't. You're not coming at my eye with that, are you? You put the glue on there.
Oh.
That's the only thing I'm gonna help you with, because we're dealing with like right next to my eyes, and I already have a problem with my eyesight, so I don't want to be totally blinded. Did you put enough glue on?
Yeah. Just on my fingers.
Really? Okay. Yeah, and then it'll just dry.
All right. You can open.
Oh, good job. Does it look good?
It's all right.
It's all right. Okay.
All right. Let's do the other one. Okay.
Here, let me hold the glue. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So how does it look?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Okay. So can I look now, or are you done?
Yeah.
So you're not going to do a lipstick at all?
Nope.
Really? I always, out of every makeup item that I own,
Okay, we'll do it.
I always have to leave the house with lipstick. I always have to have something on my lip. I'm almost wondering if we should have just done the lip balm. Okay.
Okay, we need to fix that.
Okay. What are you gonna fix it with? A tissue?
Yeah.
It kind of felt like you were going a little outside the.
I couldn't get
line.
the top one because I couldn't find your lip.
Does it look
Alright.
good?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'm finished.
We did it. So now I can look.
Yep.
Okay. Well, yeah. Okay, a little bit. That's okay. I can't even do my own lips, so it's hard to do. It's actually harder than you think to do somebody else's lips. Okay. Lashes are about as good as I could have done them.
All right.
Yeah. And yeah, we've got like interesting purple all around the eye. Looks really good. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to going to run errands looking like this. I'm sure a lot of people will be wondering how I got this makeup look.
All right.
Yeah, so maybe you found your calling after all. Well, that about wraps it up, you guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my 13-year-old son put makeup on me. And thank you for being here today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Yes, and we'll have to do this again real soon. Yep, okay.
No.
All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.